Do you know our skin produces 200 million skin cells per hour, so it is constantly evolving and renewing. It reflects changes in age, life stage, and lifestyle, as well as responding to environmental challenges from the sun, pollution, temperature, and humidity. As summer approaches, our skin needs extra care to protect it from environmental challenges. Whether you are spending more time outdoors gardening, entertaining friends with a barbecue, or preparing for a beachside holiday, your skin will require extra support to guard from sunburn, drying, and flaking. The key nutrients included in Advanced Nutrition Program skin supplements Skin Complete and Skin Ultimate, as well as our skin probiotic Skin Youth Biome, are key to preparing your summer-ready skin. Skin Complete is a combination duo pack containing a vitamin A with vitamin D supplement. These two nutrients are vital for skin cell production and differentiation. This is combined with Skin Antioxidant, a supplement comprising 7 phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are plant nutrients and include beta-carotene found in carrots, lycopene found in tomatoes, plus green tea and grapeseed extract. And these plant nutrients act as antioxidants, and they serve to protect the plants from free radical damage. A pilot study conducted during the summer months at IIAA Skin Health Research Center showed that Skin Complete reduced high color, improved elasticity, plus wrinkle smoothness, even when the participants were experiencing increased sun exposure. Skin Complete is ideal for those people whose skin suffers with rashes and irritation during the summer, or for anyone who wants that extra support for their skin from the inside while using topical sunscreen on the outside. Skin Ultimate, as the name suggests, is the ultimate smart supplement system for skin, hair, and nails. The blister pods comprise 5 capsules, synergizing 18 skin nutrients together in one supercharged pod. Omegas 3 and 6 help support hydration to ward off dry and flaking skin, while biotin strengthens and lengthens hair and nails. Vitamins A and D help stimulate skin cell renewal, and the 7 antioxidants are joined by astaxanthin, coenzyme Q10, and pine bark extract to work on every layer of skin to reduce sun damage and ensure an even skin tone. This product is perfect for the person who's concerned about harmful rays from the sun leading to lines, wrinkles, redness, irritation, dryness, and pigmentation. And I love the convenience of this product. It comes in perforated blister pods, which means I can tear one off and pop it into my bag or pocket for taking during the day, and they make packing for holidays so much easier. One of the most recent discoveries in the world of aesthetic nutrition is the concept that gut care is skincare. In 2019, researchers at IIAA Skin Health Research Center elevated Advanced Nutrition Program brand to include Skin Youth Biome, a probiotic for skin. It took 4 years of research before bringing this unique biome formula to market, and it is a synergy of 4 skin-supporting bacteria strains with vitamin C encased in a clever capsule to ensure 5 billion active cultures are delivered to your body. The pilot study at the research center reported an improvement in skin integrity, as well as a 43% improvement in hydration after 12 weeks taking 1 microcapsule a day. Skin Youth Biome assists in the absorption of nutrients from both food and supplements, making this a year-round support for all the products in the range. This is an ideal choice, particularly for those who suffer with digestive issues when traveling, or for anyone who wants extra hydration support during the summer months.